Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can get a blurred frame to apply to your videos on CapCut. So first, you just need to add your video and then click on it and just zoom or resize your video like this into a smaller frame. Okay, now you can just go find the canvas menu, then click on the blur and choose the intensity of the blur. I'm going to choose like this, and now just click on a check icon and that's it. You'll get the blurred frame on your videos like this. Oops. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.